Hey everyone, Acres Tech here. Today, we're diving into the top 3 air fryers of 2024. Don't miss out on finding which model suits you best. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to stay informed about the latest in the tech world. Before I forget, I must say that this video may make you hungry. Hello everyone again. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at the Ninja AF101 air fryer. This air fryer stands out with its compact design and modern appearance, providing users with a spacious cooking area without taking up much kitchen space. The Ninja AF101 operates at 1500 watts and boasts an extensive temperature range. Let's dive into the details. The Ninja AF101 shines with robust performance and user-friendly controls. Its 1500-watt power ensures fast and efficient cooking. With touchscreen controls and programmable options, it's incredibly straightforward to use. Cleaning is a breeze with removable and dishwasher-safe parts. The user-friendly design makes maintenance hassle-free. The Ninja AF101 air fryer is a standout choice with its sleek design, powerful performance, and user-friendly features, making it an ideal option for those wanting to explore various recipes. Now let's move on to our second contender, the Instant Essentials 4QT Air Fryer. With its elegant and stylish design, this model ensures a compact footprint in your kitchen. Operating at 1800 watts, it provides rapid cooking at high temperatures. The 4QT air fryer allows users to swiftly cook with manual settings and a touchscreen interface. Its quick heating feature is another standout characteristic. Practicality is key when it comes to cleaning. The removable tray and easy-to-clean interior surface provide users with convenience. The Instant Essentials 4QT air fryer stands out with its high performance, ease of use, and stylish design, making it an excellent choice for those seeking rapid cooking. Lastly, let's delve into the COSORI Air Fryer Pro 5Q air fryer. This model catches attention with its spacious capacity and modern design, operating at 1700 watts. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE offers various programmable options and straightforward touchscreen controls, making it easy to use. With its generous capacity, it's an ideal choice for larger families or special events. Cleaning is user-friendly with removable trays and dishes that are dishwasher safe. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE, with its broad capacity, robust performance, and modern features, provides an excellent air fryer option, especially for larger families or special occasions. Now let's compare these 3 fantastic air fryers. The Ninja AF101, with its compact design and wide temperature range, offers flexibility to users. Meanwhile, the Instant Essentials 4QT excels in rapid cooking and a stylish design. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE, with its expansive capacity and various programmable options, might be the perfect fit for larger families. Each product caters to different needs, so considering these detailed reviews will help you make an informed decision. And that wraps up our review. If you're considering one of these air fryers, this video could be valuable for you. Share which model appeals to you the most in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Until next time, take care.